In this video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to generate $500 yesterday in about 30 minutes of actual work with just a Wi-Fi connection. Now you can see on the screen right here that income came in instantly using the simple three-step formula that I'm about to reveal as you continue to watch this entire video. Now the beautiful thing about this easy copy-paste method is I've had people from around the world, different backgrounds, different experience levels, many people brand new. They were able to apply this formula, get started, and in a very short period of time generate some life-changing income. Now, what are these three simple steps inside this formula? Well, the very first step is all I did was I copy and pasted an ad on social media. Now, if you're watching this video very closely, chances are you have a Facebook or an Instagram or a Pinterest account. Now, a lot of people don't realize that if you post an ad on that site promoting a product and someone purchases through your link, based on the type of product you're promoting, you can make that money instantly just for referring people to buy that product. Now that's all I did. I just pasted an ad that I didn't even have to create on Facebook. Someone responded to that ad. They asked me for more information, which is step 2, and I sent them my link. And then step 3 was when that person looked over my website, the website did all the telling and selling for me. When they actually pulled out their credit card, they made a purchase, I was able to generate income directly into my Stripe account. Now, Stripe is simply like a PayPal, but you can choose with this amazing opportunity I'm sharing how you want to get paid. Now, there's going to be a link directly below this video, and I'm going to continue to break down more information on this simple formula. But at any time when you find that deep urge, that excitement to get started today, you can go ahead and go to the link below. Put your best email into my website so I can share with you some more information. And then in about 5 minutes, you can actually join, access the copy paste ads, access the step-by-step video training to start to generate money as soon as this week. Now, this opportunity is worldwide. A lot of people ask me, Garrett, I'm in another country. Garrett, I've never done anything like this before. There's no limitations. And the amazing thing is you can generate as much money as possible. The sky is the limit. I mean, just imagine as you follow this simple 3-step formula, being on your ideal vacation spot, right? You're sinking your toes in the soft, warm sand. You're feeling that incredible freedom. You look down at your email inbox, you see, congratulations, I just earned another commission. Congratulations, I just earned a $500 payment, right? How would that feel? What would you be able to do with your family, right? Maybe take them out to eat, maybe pay off some bills. And if you think it's too good to be true, I have endless testimonials, whether you've seen my other videos or as you find yourself eagerly going to my website at the link below, you'll be able to look over even more success stories. So again, I don't want to belabor this point. I don't want to make this video longer than it has to be. It's really just 3 simple steps that I've been doing the last 5 years to, leave my job as a waiter. When I had dropped out of college, I was barely making ends meet. I was able to quit my freaking job, right? Go full-time from home and just do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. Using this 3-step formula, copy paste ads on social media, send people my website, collect instant payments, I've been able to travel. In fact, I just got back from Brazil. I was traveling the last 10 months. I went to Rio, I went to Sao Paulo, I went to Florianopolis, sinking my toes in the beautiful sand of those amazing beaches. All thanks to this simple freedom formula, okay? So again, go down to the link below if you're interested. I'm about to meet some friends for lunch. I'm just truly blessed to share this. I know the pain. I know what it's like to, invest in these different opportunities. You get involved, they promise the world, they never actually deliver, right? You're left stranded, you're left without any guidance. The beautiful thing about this business, as you'll see when you get started today, is there's tons and tons of support, right? There's people that are there for you. There's people that are open arms, ready to welcome you and really get you the results you want. So again, if you're interested, go down below, check this out. It's not gonna be available for much longer. If you get to my website and it's not available anymore, I apologize beforehand. You wanna check it out right now, and I look forward to seeing you over there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the inside.